Today we're going to play another one of the Sharper Image AR Blaster games. This one's called Gunfire War City Hunter. Well, that sounds exciting. Let's see what this one does. There's your gun. Your phone slips right in there. Turn on the phone. Oops, I got a code here. I don't want you to see my password. Alright. Turn on the Bluetooth on your phone so it'll find the gun. Bluetooth. Right there. There we go. Sometimes you fire the trigger a few times, help it find it. Okay, I think we got it. Let's find the app right there, AR Unity. See the gun revolving down there? It's looking for it. Trying to pair them up with the Bluetooth. I think we might have it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's go find the game. Look at AR gun in the top left corner. See how the background changes? Alright, where is the game now? There's a bunch of them here we haven't recorded yet. We'll get some more of them up here soon. CR1, Hamster, Fruit Ninja, we got that up there. Biochemical Island, Tank Herd, Space War, we have that up there, I think. I'm a Snapper 2, we'll get it up there. There we are, Gunfire War City Hunter. Click on it. Sometimes it takes some clicking to get it up there. There we go. Kill 100 bad guys, it says. Okay. You can move him around by touching on him. High moves him forward, low moves him back. Look at all the guys, shoot them, all right. Well, they're hitting me. See the blood flying? Got all them. There's a bunch more. Guy up on the building there, see him? Pow. Okay. Oh, there's some more guys coming. We'll hide behind this pole here. Maybe they can't hit us. Whoa, am I outnumbered here? Uh-oh, I'm getting low on lifeline. They got me. You did great for a dead man. I like that. Let's try it again. Like a grenade down there. I wonder if I have that. I think I need to be firing from behind cover here. See my health down there, that green line below me. Giving you strength, okay. Got all them. Got on the building up there. Got him. I can't quite get up there to him, can I? Better move, he's shooting me. Oh my gosh, look at this. Getting low. Uh-oh, got me again. Next time, don't die. Well, that sounds good, yeah. Alright, we're going to get out of the game, I think, at this time. You want to quit the game? Yes, sir. Taking us back to the lobby where we can load another game or go back to the phone. I think I'm going to go back to the phone now. We'll see you next time.